Hi kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you are all well and good. Today we are going to see grade 3 English. In that we can revise for terminal 1 examination. Shall we start? In that today we are going to see unit 2 one poem. What's the poem name? Bird Talk. Already we have discussed about this and all. Isn't it? Yes. Today we can revise about this bird talk and let me see the summary of your poem. Okay. The conversation between two birds. In the poem there are two birds. One is Robin and another is Jay sitting in the garden talking with each other. Okay. Talking about whom? About people. Who is people? People is a human beings. Isn't it? Yes. There are birds talking about human beings only. Because they don't have feathers like that. Jay and Robin is discussing about human beings. Who don't have feathers? Yes, people don't have feathers. They don't eat beetles. What is mean by beetles? Beetle is the one type of insects. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. Human beings, peoples, they don't grow wings because people don't have wings and feathers. Okay, children. Human beings never sit on the wires. Yes, like that, two birds are talking in the garden. Jay and Robin. Okay, children. Let me see the book back question answers. Name the two birds in the poem. The two birds are Robin and Jay. Two birds are Robin and Jay. Next, what are the three things that people can't do? The three things that people can't do are they cannot fly, they cannot sit on the wires, they can't get feathers. What is that? They can't fly, they can't sit on the wires, they can't get feathers. Next, what do birds think of people? Birds think that people are very funny. Birds think that people are very funny. Okay, in your textbook, I have given the rhyming words. Okay, you see, day, bay, lay. It's the same sound but different spellings. Okay, you see, here also one example I have given. Grow, no, throw. Day, bay, lay. Think, blink, link. Funny, money, honey. Eat, seat, meat. Sing, ring, king. Okay, children. Let me see our CW note. Shall we revise? Yes. First we revise about synonyms. Famous. Famous means well known. Listen. Hear. Funny. Silly. Quiet. Quiet means calm. Afraid. Scared. Next we can see antonyms. Better. Worse. Stay, leave, end, begin, polite, rude, rise, sink. Next we move to answer the following. First one, what is an interesting fact about birds? Birds have feathers, wings, lay eggs and are warm-blooded. Isn't it? Yes, birds have feathers, wings, lay eggs and are warm-blooded. Why birds can fly easily? Birds have hollow bones that are very light and strong. So birds can fly easily. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, children. Next we can see Unit 2 Prose. What is the prose name? Nina and the baby sparrows. Already we have revised about this lesson, isn't it? Yes, we can see the summary of this lesson. Nina's family was happy because her auntie was getting married. Except Nina. Everybody is happy in their family, but Nina is unhappy. Why? Because in Nina's room, 2 sparrows made a nest. In that, 2 little sparrow is there. So, if Nina went to marriage, how the little birds will eat the food? Like that, Nina is worrying about the sparrows. So, she did not like to go to marriage. Nina's mother and Nina went to purchase dress. There, her mother asked her to buy a new dress. But Nina said, I don't want any dresses and anything else. Like that, Nina has said to her mother. They came to home. After lunch, her mother asked Nina, what happened, dear? Why are you worrying about? Like that, Nina's mother is asking her. She said that sparrows, about the sparrows. If we went there, how Papa and Mama sparrows get their lunch? Like that, Nina asked. Mother gave an idea. What an idea given? We have the windows. Okay, yes. We leave that windows open. It will go out and come to the nest and get a food also. Like that, her mother said to Nina. So, Nina was happy at last. Okay, about her mother's idea, she was very happy. Okay, children, we will see some nouns and meanings in this lesson. Okay, children, we can see Nina and the baby sparrows. Look here, in this page have some nouns. Okay, we will pick it that. There was a great joy. Joy is the noun. House. House is a noun only. It's a one type of place. Okay. Next. Her father, mother and little brother. These are all nouns. Were all going to Delhi. It's a one of the place. Okay. Next, happy. Happy is the joyful. Is the meaning, joyful. Next, you see Nina shook. What is meant by shook? Shook is the past tense of shake. Okay. Next, shoes. Shoes is a noun. Next, you can see in this page, upset. What is meant by upset? Upset means worrying, disappointment. Okay. Worrying or disappointment. Next, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Okay. Next, mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. Like that, who said? Yes, Nina said. You see here, cheeks. Cheeks. Cheeks is the below the eye. It is a noun. Okay. Next. Mother, tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. I have said about the cheeks. No, yes. Below the eye only have the cheeks. Yes. Nest is the home of birds. Isn't it? Yes. The sparrows in the nest on the bookshelves of Nina's room. Okay, dear. Next, cheep, cheep. It's a rhyming word only. Okay, it's a continuous word. Mama sparrow, feed. You see in this, it's a feed. Feed is the one of noun and verb also. Yes, we will remove. What is the remove? Remove is a verb. Take something away. Okay. Next you see here thrilled. What is that? Thrilled. Is there thrilled? Cause to have a sudden feeling of excitement is a thrilled. Okay, children. Let me see the reading is fun in your textbook question answers. First one. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? There was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's auntie was getting married. Why was Nina worried? Nina was worried about the baby sparrows in the nest that would be left hungry. No one remained at home the day of the wedding. What did mother suggest? The mother suggested that the window will be left open so that Mama and Papa sparrows can feed their baby sparrows in the nest. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Okay, let me see the CW, synonyms. Caution, care, discuss, argue, harsh, rough, happy, joyous, courage, bravery. Okay, next, antonyms. Invisible, visible, remember, forget, brutality, kindness, rare, common, essential, unimportant. Okay, answer the following. Who is concerned about 2 baby sparrows? Nina is concerned about 2 baby sparrows. Next, where did Nina's family plan to go? Nina's family planned to go to Delhi. Where did Nina and her mother go? Nina and her mother went to the market to buy a new dress. Next, why was Nina worried? Nina was worried for the baby sparrows because she thought that if they go out, how the parents of the babies will feed their children. What did Nina's mother advise? The mother advised that the window will be left open so that Mama and Papa sparrows can feed their baby sparrows in the nest. Okay children, let me revise the activity. Revision activity, we will see. Find the synonyms. I have given the synonyms. Okay, those 5 questions you want to write it. Afraid, favorite, happy, remove, courage. Next, find the antonyms. Antonyms, stay, cry, same, beautiful, big. Next, who is the author of Nina and the Baby Sparrows? That also you want to write it. Who is the poet of Bird Talk? Yes, that also you want to write it in your homework note. Okay children. Next, rhyming words. You want to make 1 or 2 rhyming words. For wings, fry, day, grow, sing. You can write in this also in your homework note neatly. Okay children, we will meet in next class. Thank you.